Fresh farm potatoes begin their journey straight from fertile fields. Careful harvesting preserves quality before factory processing begins. Loaded trucks transport freshly harvested potatoes directly to the factory. Rapid delivery helps preserve freshness for premium chip production. Every delivery enters the receiving station through an automated unloading system. Continuous conveyors move the potatoes toward quality inspection. Only the highest quality potatoes continue into production. Every batch is carefully inspected for size, color, and defects. Every incoming batch is weighed for precise production planning. Accurate measurements ensure consistent manufacturing efficiency. Storage hoppers regulate a steady supply of potatoes. Controlled feeding keeps the production line running continuously. Automated conveyors deliver potatoes at a controlled production rate. Consistent feeding prevents bottlenecks throughout the factory. Heavy stones are automatically separated before washing begins. This protects downstream equipment from unnecessary damage. Powerful washing systems remove soil from every potato. Clean surfaces prepare the crop for precise peeling. Rotating brushes eliminate every trace of stubborn soil. Clean potatoes are now ready for peeling.
High-pressure steam removes potato skins within seconds. The process preserves maximum edible potato for slicing.
A final rinse removes every remaining peel fragment. Spotlessly clean potatoes continue toward inspection. Optical scanners inspect every potato with remarkable precision. Only premium potatoes continue to the next stage. Experienced inspectors provide the final quality assurance. Perfect potatoes are now ready for precision slicing. Precision slicers create perfectly uniform potato slices. Consistent thickness is essential for even cooking and crisp texture. Laser sensors verify the thickness of every potato slice. Uniform slices ensure even frying and consistent crispness. Clean water rinses away loose starch from every slice. This improves texture and prepares the chips for frying. Excess starch is removed for a lighter, crispier chip. Filtered water keeps the cleaning process efficient. Dewatering removes excess moisture before heat treatment. Less surface water improves process efficiency. Controlled blanching stabilizes the potato slices. It helps create consistent color and texture during frying. Powerful air systems dry every potato slice. Dry surfaces ensure stable frying and better oil control. Hot cooking oil transforms raw slices into crispy potato chips. Precise temperature control delivers the signature golden crunch.
Excess cooking oil is carefully removed. The chips retain crispness while reducing surface oil.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the chips after frying. They are now ready to receive their signature flavors. Carefully measured seasonings create Lay's signature flavors. Gentle tumbling coats every chip evenly. Precision dosing ensures every chip receives the perfect amount of flavor. Even coating delivers the signature taste in every bite. Gentle mixing guarantees consistent seasoning across the entire batch. Every chip leaves the drum with uniform flavor. Advanced inspection systems verify color and seasoning quality. Only perfectly coated chips continue to packaging. Sensitive metal detectors provide another layer of food safety. Every batch is inspected before packaging begins. Precision weighing guarantees every bag contains the correct amount of chips. Accurate portions are now ready for fully automated packaging. Food-grade packaging film is precisely aligned for automated bag production. Accurate film positioning ensures flawless package quality. Flat packaging film is transformed into perfectly shaped bags. Precision forming prepares each package for filling. Multi-head weighers deliver precise portions into every package. Accurate filling minimizes waste while protecting fragile chips. Nitrogen protects the chips from breakage and oxidation. The protective atmosphere helps preserve freshness and crispness. Heat sealing locks freshness safely inside every package. Strong seals protect the chips throughout distribution. Every package receives a unique production code. Printed dates ensure complete product traceability. Every package receives a readable retail barcode. Automated verification guarantees accurate product identification. Every package passes a final inspection before shipment. Only fully approved products continue to distribution. Automated case packers prepare retail products for shipment. Every carton is packed with speed, accuracy, and consistency. Industrial robots build perfectly organized shipping pallets. Finished pallets are now ready for warehouse storage.
Finished products are stored in a climate-controlled warehouse. Digital inventory systems track every pallet in real time.
Each shipment is prepared according to customer orders. Protective wrapping keeps products secure during transportation.
Finished products are carefully loaded for nationwide distribution. Every pallet is secured to ensure safe transportation.
Freshly made Lay's potato chips begin their journey to stores worldwide. The factory's automated process ensures consistent quality in every bag. Regional distribution centers receive and organize every shipment. Products are quickly prepared for delivery to retail stores. Automated sorting systems prepare orders for individual retailers. Every shipment is routed to its correct destination.
Local delivery vehicles prepare the final stage of distribution. The chips are now only one step away from store shelves.
Fresh deliveries arrive at retail stores every day. Quality is preserved from factory to supermarket.
The manufacturing journey ends on the retail shelf. Every bag is ready for customers to enjoy.
After an advanced manufacturing journey, the chips reach consumers. Every bag reflects precision, quality, and modern food production. The protective package keeps every chip fresh until the moment it's opened. The manufacturing journey reaches the consumer in perfect condition. Every chip reflects carefully controlled industrial processing. Precision manufacturing delivers consistent quality in every batch.
Modern automation ensures safety, efficiency, and consistent product quality.
Quality is verified repeatedly from raw potatoes to finished packages. Multiple inspections ensure every bag meets strict production standards. From freshly harvested potatoes to supermarket shelves, every step is carefully controlled. Modern manufacturing transforms. Production continues around the clock to meet global demand. Every day, millions of chips begin their journey from this factory.
Every bag represents precision engineering and food manufacturing excellence. The journey is complete.
Technology, automation, and skilled workers make every production step possible. This is how Lay's potato chips are made in a modern factory. Thank you for joining this journey inside modern potato chip manufacturing. We hope you enjoyed discovering how every chip is made.
From farm to factory to your table, every step is engineered for quality. Thank you for watching.